Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Let's have a look at problem 409, longest palindrome. So this problem actually is a follow-up for Leetcode problem 2131, but here this is a simpler version. First, I'll read through the statement quickly and then we share the code. So given a string S which consists of lowercase or uppercase letters, return the length of the longest palindrome that can be built with those letters. So here the letters are case sensitive. For example, capital A and lowercase a are not regarded as the same. So in particular, this is not a palindrome. So here are two examples. So in the first example, the output is 7, and the second one, the output is 1. The second one is very special, right? In the first one, so C appears 4 times, so we can use 4 of the C, and D appears twice, so we can use the 2D, and A and B appears once, so we can use either A or B and put them in the middle. So this is the 7th, right? 4C plus 2D plus 1A or 1B, right? So with that said, let's also look at the constraints. So this problem set is small because the length is less than or equal to 2000, and S consists of lowercase or uppercase English letters. So with that said, let's look at the code directly. So here I'm going to use a similar idea as in the video for Leetcode 2131. So you are welcome to check out that video for a slightly harder version of this problem. And then what we're going to do, just to have a roadmap. So we want to build a character frequency dictionary now. So here is a character, right? So in problem 2131, so we're going to use words as the key and count the words frequency. So we will use up all the even part of each frequency. And if there exists odd frequencies, we're going to use one additional character, like in example 1. So with that said, I guess the code is very straightforward. So what we're going to do is that first we get a counter of the character and their frequencies. That is collections counter, right? So out of S, and then we can do the counting. So let's do it in a verbose way. So actually we can write short code, but that's not our purpose. So here I'm going to initialize a flag, initially false. So this flag is to check if there are or if there were odd frequencies, right? So then we iterate so for character and their frequency in count items, right? So then if frequency is even, right, we're going to use up this one. So result increment by frequency. Otherwise, so the frequency counting is odd, so we can change the flag to be true, and then we increment by the frequency minus 1. In other words, the even part. And then afterwards, so we are going to check if flag is true, so we are going to increment this result by 1 by using up one additional character, like here, right? A and B appears less, right? So with that said, we just need to return the result state. So that's the A solution format to this problem. So now let's first do a check. Yeah, it passes the first example. Now let's look at the generic test cases. Yeah, it passes all the test cases. I guess that's it for this follow-up video, right? If you have comments, please let us know, and you are welcome to check out other videos in my channel. With that said, that's it. Thank you.